Foodtruckyourself.com is a completely free way to list your food truck and get found by thousands of hungry people trying to find exactly you. No more do you have to rely on Facebook or any other social media to push out your notifications. Now you can not only put yourself on our live map, we will also text your followers after they've signed up. This is a tutorial to show you how to create your profile and then also how to utilize foodtruckyourself.com, because we have two methods for how you can actually post yourself on our map. The first is super simple. After your profile is set up, all you have to do is send a text message to our number with the address of the location that you're at. You'll get a text back from us saying, please set your hours. You click that, set the hours, and boom, you are instantly on our map. Whenever you've closed, you'll fall off of the map. That way we're not sending anybody to a location where you're not at any longer. The second option is we actually have a scheduling feature. So you can pre-schedule out as far as you want to go. The appearances that you already know are set. People will find you on our live map. They'll be able to click on your profile, read a little bit about you, see your open and close hours, and click on the address to immediately open their navigation app and drive right to you to enjoy your delicious food. So let me hide my face here and I'm going to take you through the process. The very first thing that you have to do is go to foodtruckyourself.com. Next, you have to click on the Join the FTY Fleet. We'll scroll down here and you have to fill out this form below. So food truck name, the cell phone number. Again, this is the number. We will not make this public. Nobody will see this, nor will they see your email, but this is the number that you're going to text from. If you text in from any other number, unfortunately, it will not be able to update your food truck. Give us a brief description, your website address if you have one, and then your social media profiles if you have those. Finally, you'll just choose a photo of your food truck so that we can show an example of what your food truck, your food trailer, or whatever setup looks like for you. After you have done that, we will approve your profile. We will reach out to you and let you know that your profile is now approved and that you are now able to start either texting in or you can log in, and then you are able to set up your scheduling. You can also change all your information, email address, phone number, stuff like that. I'm going to walk you through now the signing in process because that's a little different, but we've made it super, super easy. If you are on the website again, you scroll down to the very bottom and you'll see the option to sign in to edit your food truck. You'll notice there's no username and password. We made this so simple using a system called Magic Link. You'll put in your email address, you'll click send. This is going to send you an email which you simply have to click on and open the link. Here's an example of what that email looks like. It just says log into Food Truck Yourself. You are going to click the button to log in. Magic Link is going to do its work to sign you in, and then after you've signed in, the website will refresh and you'll notice that there's a few changes. Now the Join the Fleet button is gone and you'll see an Edit Your Truck button. If you scroll down to the very bottom of the page, instead of signing in, it also says Edit Your Food Truck. So if you click on that link, it's going to take you to your profile. You can see here Ellis's Eatery Food Truck. We've got the current location, opening time, and closing time. None are set currently, and then there's just a brief description here. This is one of the most exciting features on our website, the Follow This Truck feature. If you post your profile on your social media, send out emails, whatever, and tell people to follow your truck, they can put in their cell phone number, and whenever you're open, we will actually send them a text message. No longer do you have to rely on the social media sites to send out your notifications. No, we will immediately text your customers, your followers and fans, and let them know that you're open. There will be a link to your Food Truck Yourself profile, and the current location will have your address so they can again click on that and immediately go to your location. I'll scroll down here, and this is what the scheduling feature looks like. So you can see 10:16, I'm going to be open from 10 to 4. Here's the address. If I click on this address, it automatically opens Google Maps for navigation, and you can do as many of these as you want, as far out as you want. What only I see, because I'm signed in, is the Edit Your Food Truck information section. If anybody else goes to your profile, they will not see this at all. This is only if you are signed in. You can change the name of your food truck, so for any reason if that changes, you can also change the phone number associated with your food truck and the email. This next thing down here is text notifications. This is only for us to text you. If you set this to no, then we will not text you reminders of making sure that you post your locations being open, or basically we won't text you any reminders. We'll still email you that way if that's your preferred method of communication. And then we also have the scheduling feature down here. You can see we have a really handy Google Maps location to make sure that you pick exactly the right spot so that we have a correct location. I've already got 2 published. I'm going to add a new one. All I have to do is select here. You're going to see a date picker. So I'll say October 25th. I'm going to be open. I'm going to be open from 2 p.m. until 7 p.m. And now I have to type in an address. So you can type in a location name. So for example, Gerbs here in Columbia, Missouri. I can say Gerbs on West Broadway. Click on that and it is automatically going to show on the map where it is. But you can also type in an address. So maybe 1808 Monroe Street, Columbia, Missouri. Click on that and then there is an address. Finally, you can also edit your website and then these social media profiles, but I'm just going to click Update Food Truck. Now at the very top of the website, you'll see a little thing and it says, we have updated your food truck successfully. So now you can see that new date that I put on here. You can also automatically set today's date, so I'll go ahead and show you today's date. I'm going to add that. Today's date is October 14th. I'm going to say that I am open at 8 a.m. and then I'm not going to close until 6 p.m. today, and I'll use that Gerbs address just to make life easy. Come down here, update my food truck, and then you'll notice my profile actually immediately changes. You'll see here now that my current location is showing, my opening and close times are showing, and if I go visit the website, you'll now also see that Ellis's Eatery is listed on the map. They can click on that pin and it brings me back to my profile where they can click on the address and come to find me. Now you can also text in your location whenever you want to. And the way to do that is, you'll do this on your phone obviously, but to text in to our number. Our number is 1-567-229-3869. You will text to this phone number a address where you're going to be. You will then get a text message back asking you to fill in the information. So I'm going to use that 1808 Monroe Street, Columbia, Missouri, 65201. And then what you will do is after you enter this address, it must only be the address. Don't put in the name of the location or anything like that because Google Maps has to verify. I'm going to type in this address. I'm going to let it send me a text message, and then immediately it's going to send me back a text message saying, hey, I need you to set your hours. All you have to do is click on this link. There's just 2 simple selection boxes, your open time and your close time. So I'll change this to 7 p.m. I'm going to click submit. It'll say thank you, and then now that location has been added immediately to our map. There's one more thing that you can do. You can send in the text closed at any time, and it will let us know, okay, now you are closed. We will immediately take you off the map. Switching back to my profile, now you can see I have that address set. If you do text in when you also have a schedule set, then the text is going to override the schedule just for that day. So if you have a date set in the schedule and then you also text in, the text is going to take precedent and it's going to show up on the website just like what you see here, even though I had that location set. That's all there is to it. You set up a profile, we approve your profile after checking, we will let you know when we do, and then you can immediately start setting your schedule or start texting in and letting us know when you're open. You can also then share that profile on your social media, your email list, whatever you want to do, and let people know to fill in that follow this truck feature so they get text messages that will lead them directly to you whenever you're open on that day. Thank you very much for checking out foodtruckyourself.com. My name is Ellis Bennis, owner of Floating Axe Technologies. We do digital marketing and all manner of website design and everything else of that nature. I'm going to cut that out. My name is Ellis Bennis with Floating Axe Technologies. We do website design and digital marketing. I'm one of the 3 partners that have founded Food Truck Yourself. Our other partner is Tom Bradley of the Tom Bradley Morning Show on 93.1 Jack FM in the Central Missouri area. And his co-host is our 3rd partner, Aaron Foxy Fox. Oh, please check them out. You can check them out at thetombradleyshow.com if you even want to listen live from anywhere in the world. And we appreciate you trying to help us support this. Let every food truck you know know about this website because it's completely free. And we make a promise to you that it will always be free to have a profile and list your food truck on the website. At no point will we ever send you a notification saying we're going to start charging you for this. We promise that the ability to show yourself on our live map will always be free. Now, we are working on a handful of premium features that will be optional, that you don't have to have, but that will hopefully make your life easier as a food truck owner. Again, thank you so much. Please let anybody and everybody know about foodtruckyourself.com. Share this on your social media profiles and help us grow this, because the more people that are accessing the site, the more people are going to see your food truck and come enjoy your delicious food. Have a blessed day.